Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so we are still looking at quadratic equation. So the question is solve for x in the following equations. Okay, so we are still talking about factorization method. Okay, so just want us to really understand the concept. So like the a we have here, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 25. Okay, so what we do here when you have questions like this is to rewrite it to be like the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is going to be like x squared plus 2x plus 1. You move 25 over to the left, and then that becomes minus 25, okay, to be equals to 0. And then you have x squared plus 2x now, and then 1 minus 25 is going to give us minus 24 to be equals to 0. Okay, so from here we look at for two numbers such that when you sum them together, it gives you 2x, and then when you multiply the same number, it gives you minus 24. Okay, and out of all the factors of 24, the best two numbers to make use of, or the best two numbers that fit in, is 6 and minus 4. So you quickly replace the sum with those two factors. So this becomes x squared, plus 6x, right? Minus 4x and then minus 24 equals to 0. So factorizing the first two terms, we have x open bracket, x plus 6, we should be used to that by now. And then, minus 4 is the highest common factor between the last two terms, and that becomes minus 4 open bracket x plus 6 equals to 0. So from here, x plus 6 are the same, you pick one, and then x minus 4 will be combined together in a bracket to be equals to 0. So at this point, either x plus 6 is equals to 0, or, x minus 4 is equals to 0. So that means x is equals to minus 6 or 4, okay? So that's it. And then the b, what we have there is x squared plus 20. X squared plus 20 equals 9x. So we're going to move 9x over. So you have x squared. If you move that, you have minus 9x. Then plus 20 is equals to 0. So at this point, we look out for two numbers that when you sum them, you have minus 9. Then when you multiply them, you have plus 20. And those two numbers are minus 4 and minus 5. So the equation becomes x squared. Instead of minus 9x, you have minus 5x, minus 4x, and then plus 20 equals to 0. Okay? So factorizing the first two terms, you have x open bracket, x minus 4, minus 5 will be left, and then minus 4 is common to the last two terms, and then you have x, minus 5 to be equals to 0. So at this point, we have x minus 5. Since they are the same, you pick one, open bracket, x minus 4 will be grouped together to be equals to 0. That means either x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 equals 0. So it's either x equals 5 or 4 at this point, okay? So that becomes the solution to that. So let's quickly look at the C now, where we have x squared, okay, minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Yep. So it's already in its standard form, so just go straight through. The two numbers that will give you minus 2 when you add, and then when you multiply, you have minus 3 in this case, okay? And I think those numbers are minus 3 and plus 2, plus 1, okay? So the equation becomes x squared. Instead of minus 2x, you have minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equals to 0. So factorizing, you have x into x minus 3, okay, plus 1 into x minus 3 equals to 0. So we have x minus 3 into x plus 1, okay, to be equal to 0. So at this point is either x minus 3 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. So that means x is equals to 3, or x is equals to, let me just say x is equals to 3 or minus 1. Okay, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.